I think they're tangible, so you can start a conversation with them by looking at them, and I think they're really easy to remember.
I think everybody, like from young kids to teenagers, because sometimes you don't know what young kids are going through. So to give them a sort of a gamification way of doing things and telling their story, how are you feeling, why are you sad, like what's happening, like it's, you know, at your school or your friends or your family, like tell me what's happening so we understand your situation so then we can help you. So I think in allowing kids to have a bit more gamification and interactive way of showing their mental health is very beneficial. Instead of just sitting down and talking to somebody, you can show it in a patterned way.
Today's been a really good day. I love anything to do with mental health and wellness and, you know, just learning those valuable tools. And if we can put it into the education system, it's going to be so much more beneficial. It should be part of the education curriculum.
I would absolutely recommend it because I feel like I've got some tools to walk away with now. I also feel a sense of responsibility to use those tools to empower myself and make the changes I need to in my life. And I feel like if you can get all of that in a few hours in a day, absolutely worth doing.